Hi, good evening, folks. It is almost 10 o'clock at night in the UK here on Wednesday, the 3rd of March. Um, just going to run through a few charts. I'm just going to flick quickly through these ones where there's nothing really been going on. Only real development here is that after making three bullish thrusts in a row, we've now looks like we're not going to make a bullish thrust. So we could get a bit of consolidation here now, but we're still looking at this 89.57 to sell. So I'll just move quickly through them unless there's any sort of clear piece of action that's been going on. Again here we're still waiting for this to come lower. Euro yen again, it's actually been close to my level again today and failed, so still nothing doing there. Euro US dollar is a bit more interesting. We're going to remove this level to the close now, so I'm going to be keeping a close eye on this 1.3652 level for the possibility of going long. So yeah, you can see we bounced in between these two, support and resistance level, earlier on today, and then we just sort of shot through it. It'd have been nicer if we could have closed up here and had time to make a 5 minute setup, but you can see here there was no real time here to form a buy setup. I think it was actually here just after the 4 hour bar closed at 1500. So it was so close to the close that we didn't really get time, or I probably would have taken a long position there. Only thing at the moment, it could actually help us. We're on the eighth bar of a 4 hour count, and the count on the 1 hour's been cancelled. But yeah, we're on the eighth bar of a 4 hour count, so we could get a retracement here, which could bring us nicely down to test this level. So I'll be keeping a close eye on that tomorrow morning, looking with a view to go long. So again here, same as the euro pound, there's no change. We're waiting for it to go higher to sell. Pound yen, again, we complete the ninth count of the buy setup tomorrow, so we'll just sort of be watching that one. Pound dollar, we're going to complete the thrust bar today, so that's the TDF buy setup complete. So it's a good time to start looking to go long. But I had a look at this one earlier. I know a lot of you guys have probably gone long with the trade copier. We're on the eighth bar of a sell setup, and the eighth bar has been the high, so it's going to be a qualifying sell setup. And we've had a sell setup on the hourly and the thrust bar. So yeah, I've got my fingers crossed for you. But at the moment I'm not really too sure. I wouldn't like to say. I mean, it could go on further. Obviously, the TD doesn't always work. The trade station works. Sometimes this works. Sometimes that works. It's just the nature of the game. So, but hopefully it works out for you guys. But so I probably will be looking to go long tomorrow though. See if we get any kind of opportunity, possibly a bounce from this level here. It was important earlier, and it's now a TDST support level. So if we come down this low tomorrow, I'd probably start to look to go long, just based on the fact that we've broken this lower bat support. So yeah, so that's an opportunity tomorrow. I'll be looking to go long on the pound dollar and the euro dollar at some point. We've also had a nice bounce from my level on the US dollar CAD. The 1.0272, as you know, I've been looking for that level, and you can see the low we made today was 1.0272. So very significant moves there. So now we gotta take the Fibonacci and draw it on. So we've made a high up here at 1.0851, 1.0851, and the low today is, of course, today is 1.0272. Okay, so we're looking for this to get at least up to the 1.0417 level now to complete the sell setup, and at the moment we're looking at, we could go as low as, you know, through parity here on this pair. So as I was saying before, if we could get a removal of this level, it would be nice to see a move a little bit higher first and then a removal of the weekly level just to confirm everything. Hopefully we can get involved on this one somewhere up around here, so we'll watch out for some bullish thrusts now, and we'll look to sell a retest of their lows should we remove them to the close. Yeah, so that's quite a good development there. Nothing on US dollar chief and nothing on US dollar yen. So that's basically it for tonight, folks. So possibly looking to go long pound dollar and long euro dollar for tomorrow. That's basically the story. Okay, if you have any questions, feel free, you can give me a private message, anything. But I'll run through everything again in the morning when we start the webinar. Okay, cheers guys.